Handle is designed exclusively for Keurig 2.0 brewers. Filters water for better tasting beverages. Easy to use. Uses Keurig replacement water filters. Includes 1 water filter and 2 replacement filters. Ensure your beverages taste their best. This simple filtration kit fits right in your Keurig 2.0 brewer water tank. Each kit comes with 1 filter assembly and 2 filter cartridges. The brewer reminds you when to change your filter, and replacement filter cartridges are sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install and works just fine. First time I installed it, it was a bit loose, but I just popped it off and tried again and it worked without any problem. I was a bit skeptical that I even needed this, given I have no problem with the taste of my tap water, but it turns out there are other benefits. Since using it, I've noticed that I've had to using the cleaning solution to remove hard water/calcium buildup less often. Definitely a better investment than constantly going through the descaling process. I've refilled the tank many times since installing the filter, and not once has it popped off or become loose.